Typhoon Bising has slightly weakened as it moves over the northwestern portion of Taiwan. Meanwhile, the southwest monsoon is expected to bring heavy rains over parts of the country. For the latest, we have Pag-asa weather specialist Veronica Torres joining us via Zoom. Good morning.
Good morning to you and all of our audience at One News.
Nasaan po ngayon si Typhoon Bising at kailan po siya lalabas ng Philippine Air Responsibility?
Opo, actually, yung 4 a.m. location natin ni Bising nasa 405 kilometers northwest ng Itbayat, Batanes. However, kanina 5 a.m., ito ay lumabas na nga ng ating Philippine Area of Responsibility. So currently, wala naman itong direktang epekto sa kahit na anong parte din ng ating bansa.
So hindi na to lalabas katulad nung babalik, no? Kasi if I remember it correctly, nung weekend sabi daw babalik dito sa atin nung Sunday.
Opo, actually, yesterday, pumasok po ito muli ng ating PAR, kagabi po. And then, dahil sa may bandang northwestern boundary lang naman ito ng PAR, ay agad din naman itong lumabas ng ating area of responsibility.
Yan, Veronica, sinabi mo na wala naman direct effect na itong Typhoon Bising sa atin, no? Pero do we expect rains these next few days and because of what weather system?
Opo. So although wala namang na epekto itong si Bising or si may international name na dana sa any parts of our country, inaasahan pa nga rin natin yung habagat o southwest monsoon na posible pa rin na magdala ng mga occasional rains sa may Ilocos region, Zambales, Bataan. So kapag occasional rains, posible yung maulan pa rin almost all throughout the day pero may bugso ng moderate to heavy rains. And then yung habagat pa rin, southwest monsoon, magdadala ng maulap na papawirin at mga kalat-kalat na pupulan, pagkilat at pagkulog sa Metro Manila, Cagayan Valley, sa may Cordillera Administrative Region, sa may Calabarzon, Mimaropa, Western Visayas, Negros Island Region, Zamboanga Peninsula, Barm, at nalalabing bahagi ng Central Luzon. For the rest of the country, better weather ina-expect, although may chances pa rin ng mga localized thunderstorms.
And then, are we also monitoring other weather disturbances outside our Philippine area of responsibility na maaring pumasok sa ating bansa within the week?
Opo, maliban nga kay Danas, bagyong Danas na dating si Bising, wala na tayo ibang namomonitor na low pressure area or bagyo sa loob or malapit sa ating Philippine Area of Responsibility.
Veronica, no, itong huling report namin before ito, no, nagsabi ay, sabi ng Pag-asa daw ay we can expect, I think 18 or 18, at least 18 more na bagyo. No? Pero clarify na they won't be as strong as they were the last year. When you mean they won't be as strong in terms of wind ba ito or in terms of rain volume?
Opo, so possible po ang pag-determine naman natin ng lakas ng bagyo ay sa lakas naman po ng hangin. Although not ruled out pa rin yung iba't ibang kategory ng bagyo na posible pa rin pumasok sa ating area of responsibility this year po.
Alright. With that, maraming salamat sa iyong oras sa Pag-asa Weather Specialist Veronica Torres.
Thank you po.